Hey carpet cleaners, John here, and in this video I want to walk you through my favourite business books, the ones that I recommend and the ones that are going to help you to take your carpet cleaning business to the next level. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I run a company called AGB. We specialise in one industry and one industry only, the carpet cleaning industry, and we specialise in one thing only, getting carpet cleaning businesses like yours booked out with jobs with our specialist digital marketing system. I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many carpet cleaning business owners as possible, not just survive, but thrive, whether that's through our specialist digital marketing program or through this YouTube channel. So let's dive right in. I want to walk you through the top 3 books that I recommend that will have a huge impact on you as a business owner and on your carpet cleaning business. The first one that I want to recommend is a book called The Slight Edge. It's by a guy called Jeff Olson. This is an amazing book, and really what it talks about is something that I talked about in one of my other videos about daily routines, about being consistent and about the compound effect and stuff, and that's exactly what this book talks about. It talks about by doing something every single day repeatedly over a small period of time, it won't make that much difference, but over that longer period of time you get this thing happen called the compound effect, and then once you get that and you get that compound effect and you get that momentum, that's when real magic happens and those breakthrough moments, and that's when you have these huge moments of like success in your business. And just to kind of give you like a real kind of basic analogy about, sort of just kind of give you like the vibe of this book, just to kind of get across like what it's talking about and what it means in a nutshell. So imagine if you read a chapter of a book a day. After 1 week, you'd have read 7 chapters. Your knowledge wouldn't have grown that much, right? You've just probably read 7 chapters of a book. You'll know a little bit more, but not a huge amount. But imagine you read a chapter a day, every day, for 10 years. Imagine how many books you would have read. Imagine how much knowledge you will have had. Imagine how intelligent you will be compared to if you didn't read any book at all for 10 years, right? And so that small act, which doesn't take up much time, of simply reading 1 chapter a day over that longer period of time will grow and grow and grow, and it will build and build and build, and you'll have this compound effect. And after a while, you're going to have so much knowledge, which you are then going to be able to leverage that knowledge, right, to better your life in many different ways, depending on what you've read and what you've learned. You know, another example might be saving money. You save $10 a day, in 10 days you'll have $100. It's not that much. But if you save, in a year, that's like $3,650 or whatever it is. Over that longer period of time, you have that compound effect. It builds up. And what started off as not a lot of money, over time, it will be a lot of money. It's like me. It's like posting on social media. You're a carpet cleaning business owner. If you start to post content about your carpet cleaning business on, say, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, the first day that you post, you're only gonna have like 1 post and maybe like 0 followers. And after a week, right, if you do it once a day, if you make 1 post a day, you'll have 7 posts and maybe you'll have like 3 or 4 followers. And it's not really gonna make much difference to your business, and it's not really generating you any money. But if you're consistent with it and you do it every single day, post that 1 piece of content over that longer period of time, over the next 2 years, because you kept it up and you did it every day, you made a post every day, in 2 years from now, you're gonna have hundreds of posts and possibly hundreds, maybe thousands of followers. And that simple act of like making that 1 post a day in the beginning, while it didn't really amount to much, over that longer period of time, you've got that compound effect. Now you've got hundreds of posts, now you've got thousands of followers, and now finally, because you kept it up and you had that compound effect and you built that momentum, you're starting to make lots of money from your organic posting for your carpet clean business. It's generating new customers. So really, that's what The Slight Edge is about, and that's the kind of theory and the philosophy behind what this book teaches. It goes into a lot more detail, but like honestly, like I highly, this was a game changer for me. I highly recommend this book. The next one one on my list is a book by J. Abraham. It's called Getting Everything You Can Out of All You've Got. And now, really, this book taught me all about the basic fundamental principles that apply to all businesses and that make all businesses work, that make all businesses successful, and why these huge successful businesses have implemented these things, why they work, and why you should do it too. For example, having a guarantee, like having a referral scheme, like having a customer loyalty scheme. You know, when you go to Starbucks and you get like this stamp, right, it keeps you coming back, right, to the same coffee shop to get your stamp. It breeds that loyalty. It keeps them as a customer. They want to get their free coffee. As a carpet cleaning business, for example, you could have like a similar scheme. You know, every 5th carpet clean is free, and you give them a little card and you stamp it every time they come round. Having some kind of guarantee, some risk aversion policy, how forming partnerships with other companies can help you grow and scale. All of the basic kind of fundamentals of business. This book covers them all, and it's amazing. And a lot of the things that I learned out of this book, I implemented in my own business. This is an amazing read. And so, yeah, it's incredible. I cannot recommend it enough. So that's J. Abraham, Getting Everything You Can Out of All You Got. Go and check it out. You can get all of these on Amazon. By the way, I'm not being paid to promote any of these. I'm not going to get any money if you order them off of Amazon or anything like that. Not at all. I could have probably set something like that up, but I don't have time, too busy. I'm all about trying to provide as much value as possible to you guys. So yeah, these are all my genuine recommendations. Go and check them. Get them on Amazon, I'm sure. And then the final one is this one. It's a book called PreSuasion by a guy called Robert Cialdini. And this is by the same author. This author is a guy that also wrote another book, which is another one that I'd recommend. He wrote a book called Influence. This is like a classic, almost a cult classic, PreSuasion. And this talks about psychology in like selling and like how you turn to phrase and the way that you ask things, how to use psychology to persuade people to do what you want. And so much about what you do as a business owner is about selling, right? You're basically selling a service. As a carpet cleaner, I'm selling a service to you guys in terms of trying to get you to sign up to like my marketing and stuff like that. So much about being a business owner is about sales, obviously. Whether that's you talking to a customer in Messenger that's interested in scheduling an appointment with you and you're trying to get them on the schedule, whether that's somebody that's called your business number, that's clicked the phone number on your website and wants to book in and wants a price, you need to convince them to take that lead, accept that price and schedule with you. Whether that's when you're in the home and you're trying to upsell, whatever it is, so much about being a business is about persuading people and selling and stuff like that. And this has got some like real great actionable, scientifically proven things and tricks and hacks that you can use to really kind of like certain conversations and put things in a certain way to kind of get the outcome that you want in terms of, getting a sale or, getting the right answer in terms of getting someone on the schedule, for example. So I really, really, really recommend that one as well. Just to kind of read you the back of this one. This is a world of PreSuasion where subtle turns of phrase, seemingly insignificant visual cues, and apparently unimportant details of location can prime people to say yes even before they are asked. So, this is talking about, things that you're saying and you're putting in your marketing, things that you're putting in your website, things that you're saying or your behavior, your body language, so that literally this person, you're like literally persuading them like prior to even doing anything to actually be like, yeah, I want to sign up, I want to schedule it with you. It's an awesome book. I highly recommend it. So those are my 3 recommendations. Do go and check them out. Do get them off of Amazon. You won't be disappointed. I've got no doubt you'll enjoy them. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you get notified when the next video comes out. And if you'd like to find out more about working with us on a one-on-one basis to take your carpet cleaning business to the next level, check out the link in the description where you'll be able to schedule a call. See you on the next video, guys. Peace.